Ford Explorer radiator cooling fan unboxing. Radiator cooling fan. Removing and installing the radiator cooling fan on Ford Explorer. Tools required: small 8mm long socket, small ratchet, small flathead screwdriver, trim pry tool. Open the hood. Prop the engine hood support rod. Disconnect the airflow meter plug. Release the locking tab underneath. Remove the plug. Use a trim pry tool. Remove the airflow meter wiring harness clip. Release the locking tabs on the air filter housing. Release the locking tab on the exhaust bypass pipe. Remove the exhaust bypass pipe. Use a small 8mm long socket with a small ratchet. Loosen the clamp on the air pipe. Remove the intake bypass pipe. Remove the upper air filter housing. Separate the housing. Remove the air intake pipe. Use a small 8mm long socket with a small ratchet. Remove the 2 mounting bolts for the air intake pipe. Remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the air filter housing assembly. Remove the upper radiator hose and set aside. Use a trim pry tool to remove the wiring harness clip on the radiator fan assembly. Disconnect the connector on the radiator fan assembly. Press the locking tab on the connector. Firmly pull downward to remove. Use the same method to remove the connector on the other side of the radiator fan. Remove the connector. Use a small 8mm long socket with a small ratchet. Remove the 2 mounting bolts on the radiator fan assembly. Remove the bolt. Continue removing the other mounting bolt on the radiator fan assembly. Remove the bolt. Use a small flathead screwdriver. Remove the upper radiator hose mounting bracket. Upper radiator hose bracket. After removing the mounting bolts for the radiator fan assembly, lift the radiator fan assembly upward. When removing the radiator fan assembly, gently maneuver it. Remove the radiator fan assembly. Comparison of the old and new radiator cooling fan. The reason for replacing the radiator fan is that the old radiator fan was damaged, causing the engine to overheat. During installation, we need to align with these 2 positions on the vehicle to lower the radiator fan assembly into place. Lower the radiator fan assembly. When lowering the radiator fan assembly, you may need to find the right angle. Result after installing the radiator fan assembly. After seating the radiator fan assembly, align the mounting bolt holes on the radiator fan assembly. Start the mounting bolts. Start the other mounting bolt. Use a small 8mm long socket with a small ratchet. Tighten the mounting bolts for the radiator fan assembly. Use the same tool to tighten the mounting bolt on the other side of the radiator fan assembly. Reinstall the upper radiator hose bracket. Align the mounting points and reinstall the wiring harness clip. Align the connector. Reconnect the radiator fan connector. Align the connector. Reconnect the radiator fan connector. Reinstall the upper radiator hose. Align the lower air filter housing with the 2 mounting points for installation. Align the air intake pipe mounting holes. Start the mounting bolts. Use a small 8mm long socket with a small ratchet to tighten the bolts. Reinstall the air intake pipe. Reinstall the upper air filter housing. Use a small 8mm long socket with a small ratchet. Tighten the clamp on the air intake pipe. Reinstall the intake bypass pipe. Reinstall the exhaust bypass pipe. Align the mounting points. After securing the upper air filter housing, reinstall the locking tabs. Reinstall the airflow meter wiring harness clip. Reinstall the airflow meter plug. Reinstall the locking tab. Remove the hood support rod. Close the hood.